I chose to research more about Jean Piaget. He was a Swiss developmental psychologist who studied children in the 20th century. His theory of cognitive development was published in 1936 and is still used today in some branches of education. He characterizes different stages of development, including language, morals, memory, and reasoning. He had several assumptions about children while developing his theory. One was that children build their knowledge based on their experiences. Another is children learn things on their own without the influence of adults or older children. And lastly, he stated that children are motivated to learn by nature and they don't need rewards as motivation. I found Piaget's stages of cognitive development to be very interesting. He categorized the cognitive development of children in 4 different stages. These stages are sensorimotor, pre-operational, concrete, and formal. The sensorimotor stage is from birth to 2 years old. These infants build an understanding of himself or herself and the reality of how things work through interactions with the environment. Learning takes place through assimilation and accommodation. The pre-operational stage is from 2 to 4 years old. Children need concrete physical situations with objects that are classified in simple ways by important features. Concrete operations are from ages 7 to 11. When physical experience accumulates, the accommodation is then increased. Children begin to think abstractly and conceptualize. The last stage is formal operations, beginning at ages 11 to 15. Cognition is fully developed, and individuals don't need concrete objects to make rational judgments. These children are capable of deductive and hypothetical reasoning. From Piaget, I have learned that you should focus on the process of learning rather than the end result. Visual aids are very important. When teaching, you should incorporate real-life examples, and you can help children throughout the stages by catering to their specific learning style. Overall, understanding the different stages may help you better understand your own child and assist their own learning development.